Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Do you feel scared at times? Every one of us does if we're honest. There's no way you can't feel scared, because at the end of the day we all know we're weak. Especially when you go out into the dark, like when I came to this area here, the forest, and it was pitch black. At that moment you feel scared, because things are out of your control. Anything could happen. Bearing that in mind, I want us to reflect in these few moments and live under the shade of Allah's names, Al-Hafidh wal-Hafiz. Now, Allah describes Himself with these two names, and basically they mean the one who records everything that happened. Nothing escapes Him in His knowledge, and not only Him knowing it, He's written it all down. And on top of that, He is the one who takes care of His whole creation without any interrupts, without any rest, fatigue, any lapses at all. Now just think with me about the verse where Allah says, Inna Allah yumsiku as-samawati wal arda an tazula. That Allah is the one who protects and looks after and keeps the heavens and the earth going and stops them from collapsing. And if He was to let them collapse, then there would be no one who could take care of them. And then, إِنَّهُ كَانَ حَلِيمًا غَفُورًا. He's the one who is the most forbearing. People curse Him, they arrogantly turn against Him, they reject Him and deny Him. And what does He do? Provide and give them and protect them. It's not because we have systems and material wealth and so many different things at our disposal that we're not harmed. It's nothing to do with that. It's because Allah protects us. Now if Allah chooses not to protect us, there's nothing in the world, even if you brought everything together, that could actually do anything for us. It's exactly what the Prophet ﷺ said. احفظ الله يحفظك. Guard Allah and He will guard you. Guard Allah meaning do what He wants from you. Glorify Him. Humble yourself in front of Him. Worship Him. Make it clear that we are slaves of Allah. And then Allah will protect you. And if you don't, as the Prophet ﷺ continued to say, then even if the whole world gathers together, they will never be able to give you anything nor protect you from anything. So bearing that in mind, if we stop glorifying Allah, stop making His glorification known in our masajid and known in the earth, known in our lands, and the only thing that becomes manifest and spread throughout our lands is just sin and corruption, why is Allah going to protect us? Just a thought that you need to keep thinking about. And just finally remember what Allah said, وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ مُعَذِّبَهُمْ وَهُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. Allah would never punish a people when they continually ask His forgiveness. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.